Alright, we'll just do the tried and true version.
So if you don't take the black to the edge, the paint won't flow, is that right?
It snags, yeah, on the dry canvas, and then you get these weird, like, it gets like that, and I don't like that. I mean, some people think that looks cool, but I don't like it. I want it to be a little more ambiguous, a little harder to realize how it flowed to get where it is.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
How long does it take your canvases to dry?
The canvases have been drying super fast, like overnight. When I was working on wooden boards, though, it was like sometimes like a week. And it might have been the time of year, because when I first started painting, it was like February or March. And so once it gets to be full on winter, it might get worse. So this I'm trying to do a little more off center. Yikes. You guys, I'm not being very careful. It's all going to one side, isn't it?
House paint, didn't they? Or was it enamel?
It was enamel.
House.
Enamel, yeah.
Enamel house.
Alright, here we go. We'll start off slow. It must be sagging a lot in the center, because it... Well... Interesting. That one must have been not level. I lost all my black paint.
It was coming off
too
to the
much
left,
paint.
this side more.
Piece of trash.
The more you spend, the more blend the paint.
Yeah, that's the only thing. I'm not sure I really like how subtle it gets with all the blending. But that's what's nice about those that where the blacks was preserved on one side is you had that contrast between the subtlety and then the harsh black.
How did you make it stay on that one side?
Well, so
Was all your color at the top?
I thought it was in the middle, but it all went to one side because I guess it wasn't as in the middle as I thought it was.
I like that one though. I do too.
I don't like that spot.
I thought it was blending in when you turned it back on.
No, that's not really. Let's see if I can move this.
Can you put a dab more paint on there and turn it back on, or would that mess up everything else?
I might just see what that does. That might, since it's right on the line, it might end up doing something cool.
Like with the cells?
I could do it over here too, but I like that.
I like that
Yeah.
right there. I like that color combination.
And this right there, I see a lot of black. Had to turn the lights off because the glare was too much on this one. I'm hoping as this dries that the subtlety will dissipate a little and we'll get more of the dark underbelly coming through, meaning there's a bunch of Micaceous Oxide sitting right under the surface there that I'm hoping as it dries and darkens we see more, because then I think that this might be a lovely little mountain scene with a sunrise. We'll see. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe. Click the bell icon in order to get more notifications. And don't forget to check out my paintings and my merch like this shirt on hoelscherart.com. Bye. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Did you know I have an Instagram? I do. I update it daily. Lots of new posts on what I'm working on. New ideas and my most current projects. You can keep track of what I'm up to on there. So go and follow me. Check it out.